All right, Toosters and Two Bets. It's me and my boy Sting Dean over here. And we're about to install the covers on the GTO seats. But first, you can't let them go out without a little steam here. So I'm steaming out the seats from where the leather done drawed in and had it sitting a little catacomb here. So we puffing them back out the way they supposed to be. What you want short? You making another one?
Huh?
You making another one?
No, I just want to make sure I'm in the middle.
So like I say, man, you can see from where the seats were, how the line came across here, how the leather had been drawed up just that much. That ended up being about what? About an inch. It had then drew up about an inch, and we like the seam to sit right along that edge. Sit right along that edge there, where it sits perfect and looks great. So I'm steaming them out, making sure our covers fit nice and tight. Which they should. Everything is tailor-made. Everything is tailor-made, man. So they coming out pretty good, man. They puffing out great. So we're gonna keep it rocking with that. So Dean is sewing on a few of the plastics here. Sewing on a few of the plastics where they needed to hook it, to clip it on the bottom. Yeah, that stuff draws up, boy. Look where that line hit. I know that new cover won't hit like that. Will it, Dean?
Nope. We gotta fix that.
We can fix that piece, baby.
Two pieces.
Huh? Okay, like I say, man, he's sewing on the plastic clips here. These come off the off of the factory cover. So he just stitching those on so we have something to hook to. My guy Dean is a faff. He's a faff guy. He got a faff machine. I know some guys ask, what's the best machine? What you like? What you sew with? Hey, I'm a console guy. He's a faff guy.
Yeah, all what you get used to, Toyota or Honda.
That's right. I learned on a faff. So that's
You
how
learn
I
off
became.
that.
No, off a console. That's how I became to be so great. You know what I mean? And he learned off of faff, right?
Yep.
That's how he became to be so great.
West Germany.
West Germany.
This thing was made in '62.
Really?
Same year I was born.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. Damn that man old.
Well, y'all moving by the light.
The fabric will be around longer than I will.
Yeah, the top a little faded. We're running out of thread up there.
Huh?
We're running out of thread up there.
Oh, I am. This is the last one. Good catch, man. I knew I was getting low. We're going to be able to finish this up. This Last good thread.
So we got a hole here from where the bolster come through the metal. You can see that metal there, man. That won't feel good. So we're gonna pack it with a little piece of foam here. He got some 1/2 inch. So we're gonna pack this hole.
That's it. Okay.
So he just shot a little bit of glue in there, melt it back together.
We'll take this, got a curve to it.
Then we'll put a piece of 1/4 inch over it to keep it from busting back through. Hopefully. Like what? All right, so now he done glued that 1/4 inch on here. He gonna cut off the excess. And now that gunshot hole, you wouldn't have to really worry about it no more.
Nope. All right.
All right, it's cover time.
I never see that on TikTok. They go,
Yeah, that fake stuff, man. We got to give him the real, Dean. We got to give him the real. So he lining up all his marks with the Velcro. It got Velcro strips on the inside. So sometimes they stick good, sometimes they don't.
they sit good with new shit. All right. This is new. It should stick real good. That's my time. In the old days, we hog ringed it.
In the old days, we hog ringed it. I still love a hog ring seat.
That is. Too. You know it ain't coming out. You know it ain't gonna come up. Woo.
It's hitting, ain't it?
It's like it's supposed to. Measure it with no rubber band. Yep, that's about right too. Woo. All right.
Pull it over. Slowly pull it over. I'm gonna show y'all that beauty artwork in 1 minute. All right, so he got the cover on. Now he's steaming it out, relaxing the leather, relaxing the suede, help everything fall in place.
Like you iron your clothes.
Just like you're ironing your clothes. Like you say, man, this was a custom design we came up with on this one here for the Pontiac GTO seats, man. I think the customer is going to install them in a 70s model Chevelle.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
So I think the color scheme on the car was a charcoal gray. So that's why we did the gray suede.
I think we got it, bro.
I think so too.
On to the backs.
And whatever you do, do not steam leather wear, Dean. If you do, what did it look like?
They'll be calling us. Fix it.
Do not steam leather on the back side. Always on the front side if you're going to throw some steam heat on it. If you do it on the back side, man, it's going to shrivel up like a raisin.
All right, I think that's it, brother.
All right. Well, we'll wipe this thing off, man. Let it set a little bit. And I think we're going to have something. Now you see where all the lines hit. All along that edge, like I was telling y'all how I drawed up about an inch. Came up here. Not when we tailor make it. It hits right on the mark, on the money. That's from my 62-year-old born friend.
61.
Oh, you born in 61?
62. But I'm only 61.
Okay, he was born in 62, but he only 61. Yeah, my 61-year-old friend here. But that's about that on that, man. We got the tops left to do, and I'm going to give y'all a complete rundown once they done. Of course, the back ones. That's about that on that, man. I'll be back in a minute, maybe two. Sheesh.